Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while and we know that, but it's not for no reason. We have been working tirelessly. Behind me, you see we've got a new studio, some new cars to unveil, and we have a huge event going on today, December 13th at 3 p.m. here in Irvine, California, where we are unveiling our newest product for the G8X platform. So take a look around at this amazing event. We wish you were here, but don't worry, there's gonna be plenty more to come. I don't work here anymore, don't I?
Welcome back to the channel.
Ask one of these guys. You better stay watching, like, comment, subscribe. You're gonna be seeing some serious shit right here. Okay, Kevin, insert the Back to the Future clip.
You're gonna see some serious shit.
Hey, what's up guys? Still cleaning here 3 hours before the show, but I can't wait for this reveal.
Everybody, thank you so much for coming out to Adro and our new curated space. Now, of course, it goes without being said, this couldn't have been made possible without all of you. So I want to give you guys a round of applause and a huge thank you for coming on out. So a huge round of applause, everyone. Across the world, you'll see some of our cars in Germany at the Nürburgring, out in the UK with Auto ID, and Hikaru's beautiful wide-body Supra out in Japan. So take a look at this feature presentation and we'll get the show on the road.
Design begins in the quiet. Ideas drift, they reshape themselves in the silence. Slowly, intention forms every detailed question, every line given purpose. Crafted with focus, shaped by patience, guided by instinct. Moment by moment, it grows until the idea becomes real and creation finally steps out of your mind and into the world.
Giving a huge round of applause for our president of Adro USA and chief designer, Mr. Davis Lee.
Thank you. Thank you guys for coming to our soft launch. We really appreciate it. This could have not been without your support. We changed this cute pig into a more aggressive look. Number one, give it a bit more skull in the eye, place the nose lower than the eye, and have the mouth as wide as possible, and have a dominant jaw. So, easier said than done. I want to show you how this language appears on the M3. Our V2 M3 bumper on a G80 M3. And I wanted to take a lot of cues from the traditional concept car from BMW, the 2002 Homage. It's one of the favorite cars that BMW ever released. And as you can see, there's a lot of similarities where the grille is low and the side is very wide. Not only from the front, but from the side also. And here is direct comparison of the OEM and our bumper. I've shown you this on an M3. How would this bumper look like on an M4? Here it is for V2 bumper on M4. We gave a negative section on the eyelid to give it a bit more skull. Also, the grille is a little bit lower than the OEM, but we raised it up so much that the kidney grills now looks a little bit more natural. And also the lower under, as I mentioned on number 3, it's way more wider than the OEM. Now, Saul, this is everybody, I think you guys have been waiting. We showed you on the M3, we showed you on the M4. Now, how would this bumper look on a G82 wide body?